That fun?
Yep. Okay, so we're going to connect Fran's joystick to the iPad via Bluetooth. So we're going to go under our mode.
This is different.
Until we get to where it says environmental. Here, we're going to go down until we get to iDevice module. On the iPad, under your Bluetooth setting, you should see it pop up as an option. If it does not pop up as an option for a new device, or if it's having a hard time connecting, you will hold the joystick forward until you hear a beep, and that'll set the wheelchair up to be in pairing mode. Now that our device is connected to our wheelchair here, we're going to scroll to accessibility and find switch control. We're going to add switches. They're going to be external, and then you're going to activate your switch. I'm going to title this one forward, or it's going to be a right joystick. And then we can say move to the next item. We can add another switch. And it's going to be back.
Ada.
Left joystick.